In this RADEN video, we're going to show you how to optimize and rewrite a job using RADEN in Databricks. We look at this job here, and go to the Ask RADEN ID, and then we ask RADEN if it can optimize and rewrite this job. And then RADEN comes back with an answer, an analysis of this particular job, gives us several optimization opportunities, and gives us a plan. So it looks at the coverage performance, the success rate, the average duration, the DBU usage, and the current configuration. And then it identifies key issues, an inefficient UDF implementation, where it can actually just use the built-in, a high failure rate, stability issues, and suboptimal cluster configuration. Also, there's a Python UDF overhead that we talked about before. In the optimization plan, it goes through the code, the infrastructure, the configuration, and then it asks if we'd like to proceed with me implementing these optimizations. And here I'm going to go ahead and say yes, because the optimized version should reduce execution time by 80 to 90% and improve success rate. RADEN comes back with an optimization summary. Major issue fixed, replacing the UDF. Here's the before. Here's the after. Here's some recommendations, performance improvements, and can even create a Jira ticket for us to go ahead and optimize this. So we can actually complete the optimization by deploying the code and then working with the workspace to remove the cluster configuration constraints and then test it to see improvements. So we can, of course, go through further with this, but this is how you use RADEN to optimize a Databricks job. To learn more, go to revefi.com.